All right, guys, so in this video, we are giving away this remote. I think it's a 2014 to 2016 Infiniti Q50. Not sure if you can use it for any other Infiniti or Nissan. You might want to call your dealer to find out.
Everything that happens is motivation.
But here is the code. Let's see how we open this thing. Just so you can see, if you need to call in the code, here it is. But we're giving it away. And so how do you enter? You just have to subscribe to our channel. The contest is gonna happen January the 7th. I think that's a Saturday at 5 p.m. Central Time. And so there's gonna be more detail in the description below. There's a video that we did about how to sell your car, and there's some paperwork that you have to fill out. And in that paperwork, on the second form, we ask the question, what's the most important thing you have to put on that form? So you just have to answer that question. The first person to answer that question on that particular day, on that time. So you can't do it before 5 p.m. Okay, so just don't do it before. Just answer that question, and you will win this remote. You do have to have a mailing address in the United States, but you can enter in any country you want to enter from. All right, so we just want to give you guys something. This is what we have. This is our personal remote from one of the vehicles that we have that we sold, and we didn't turn the remote in with it, so we're just gonna give it away. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks again. Bye.